बंद कर रखा है। नितेश सर फीलर चालू कर दें, वीडियो चलते रहने दें।
हाँ हाँ, यस यस। वेलकम सिद्धि मैम, हाउ आर यू?
वेलकम मैम।
Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
giving your precious time in a very busy schedule. So I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you. Today is Sunday, but of course, like it's very early morning here. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
So we'll start within 10 minutes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
No worries.
Yeah.
Yes, yes sir.
Very good morning, Vinay Verma sir. Welcome to the World Health Congress. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. And we have with us our friend Dr. Sakshi Sharma ma'am. Please, ma'am, thank you so much for joining.
Yes, good afternoon, good
Good
morning
afternoon, sir.
to all of you. And thanks for inviting me over here.
Welcome.
And congratulations for yesterday's good program,
Thank you so
doctor.
much, sir. We have Silpi ma'am also with us, sir.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Good morning. Good afternoon, I think. Yeah. So thank you so much. I think there is some echoes happen. Let me rejoin because there is a lot of echo.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Very good afternoon, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank
Thank
Good
you.
afternoon.
We welcome also Dr. Anand Chaurasia, sir. Sir, welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nitesh. Manu sir, good afternoon.
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Very good afternoon,
Vinay
sir.
Verma sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
sir.
all of you.
Not sure why background is not allowing to add the background. Dr. Nitesh, is there any restriction in putting the background in the zooms from your side? I'm trying to just put my background, not been able to do because.
I think, ma'am, just will check. Mr. Ankush Joshi, sir, can you check it, please?
Pardon,
Because
sir?
it's a hotel room is coming.
Ma'am is saying like the background is not visible. So
Ma'am,
is there
you
any
can go
setting?
into your video setting and
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. Doing
yeah,
the
yeah.
same thing. There is
And
like
there you can change the virtual background or you can blur your
yeah,
background.
yeah, I'm trying to do it. No worries. Might be
But
it's my office
but
laptop. So that section is there. No worries. Yeah.
but your background is terrific, ma'am.
No, it's like it's a hotel. So,
But
Yeah,
it doesn't seems to be hotel. It's a spiritual aura which seems.
oh, very nice. Thank you so much, Dr. Neeraj.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. And we have with us our friend Dr. Sakshi Sharma, ma'am. Please, ma'am, thank you so much for joining.
yes, good afternoon, good morning to all of you. And thanks for inviting me over here.
Welcome.
And congratulations for yesterday's good program.
Thank you, sir. We have Silpi ma'am also with us, sir.
Okay.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone.
So thank you so much. I think
Not sure from where noise is coming.
let me rejoin because there is a lot of echo.
Ankur sir, Anup sir is trying to join, but please allow him to join. Ankur sir.
Nitesh sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Anup sir. So on behalf of Spark Society and World Health Congress, so we welcome our respected honorable mentor, advisor, and today international speaker, Professor Dr. Anup Swarup sir. So, sir, welcome you all. Sir is basically chairperson at Center of Global Non-Killing Organization as well as founding chairman at Global Knowledge Alliance. So, sir, welcome you. Thank you so much, sir, for joining.
Namaskar.
And
Thank you so much, Nitesh ji. I should compliment you all.
thank
This
you, sir.
is
Thank
such
you,
a
sir.
wonderful, and the theme is outstanding. Global impact and challenges of
Yes, sir.
artificial intelligence in
Thank you so
pharma
much.
and healthcare. I
Thank you
think
so much.
that speaks everything, what the health community today is really working on, and they are really worried.
Yes,
So,
sir.
if it is fine with you, and I've sent my presentation, I'll just have a very quick, and I'll try to finish it in 10 minutes so that we
Sure,
can
sure,
have a
definitely. And after that,
yeah.
we'll start a panel discussion. So, sir, you will be part of it also.
Okay, okay,
So, yeah. And we
yeah.
welcome our dearest friend from Dr. Sally Al-Zahabi from Egypt. Welcome, Dr. Sally. How are you?
Welcome, Dr. Nitish. How are you?
Absolutely fine. So we all have galaxy of intellectuals from all over the globe. And very I'm lucky to have you all in this particular World Health Congress as esteemed guests, panelists, speakers. So dear, really I'm very thankful to all and welcome you all in this World Health Congress organizing by Spark Society India. Thank you so much. Now I would request to Priyanka Soni ma'am and Ankur Joshi sir, please, I think we can start now.
Sure, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, heartfelt good afternoon to all the distinguished guests, speakers, panelists, academicians, healthcare professionals, researchers, and participants joining us from the different parts of the world. On behalf of Sparks India and the Organizing Committee of the World Health Congress 2026, I extend my warm greetings and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to this prestigious virtual expert panel discussion. I'm Priyanka Soni, executive member of the Spark Society, and it's my privilege and honor to serve as the moderator for today's important and thought provoking session. So, just a bit technical issues there.
यहाँ पर ना
Sir, I guess Piyush sir is saying something. May I request Piyush Vishwakarma sir to please mute yourself? Right. Still, there is someone. May I start now?
Yes, please, please.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir. So again, a good afternoon on behalf of the Spark Society. So welcome you all to the Spark Society's World Health Congress 2026, a global forum dedicated to advancing the frontiers of the health science, medical innovation, and collaborative solutions for the humanity. At present day, we are standing here with the second day of the very first international conference of the Sparks, Sri Prakash Asha Research Education Knowledge Education Society World Health Congress 2026 with the theme Redefining Global Health Through Ethical and Impactful AI Execution. This Congress aims to reimagine healthcare systems, strengthen surveillance technologies, and foster international collaboration to build a smarter, safer, and healthier world. Today, this Congress stands as a platform where knowledge meets responsibility, science meets compassion, and collaboration meets action. And the second day of our World Health Congress 2026 in the online mode covering the entire world, and yesterday we had an offline session where we have the opportunity to get connected with a number of high intellectuals, including our guest of honor, Dr. Shovan K. Majumdar sir, Director, Material Science and Advanced Technology Group, RRCAT Indore, Dr. Sukhinder Sir Nayyar sir, Chairman, ICSR, Institute of the Cancer and Stem Cell Research in Indore. Dr. D.K. Taneja sir, who is an orthopedic surgeon and ex-dean MGM Medical College Indore. Respected Milan J. Umaikar sir, President IPGA and APTI Indore. Respected Professor Dipen Singh sir, Chairman ERC, Pharmacy Council of India. Professor Dr. Anil Kharia sir, Chairman Model Group of Industries and Institution. Our special guest, Dr. Sailesh Jain, Central Council Member, Pharmacy Council of India. And along with them, we were blessed to have, by the presence of our lifetime awardees, including Professor S. Chaturvedi sir, Director Shri Aurobindo Group of Institutions Indore, respected Sanjay Jain sir, Dean, Faculty of the Pharmacy, Medicaps University Indore, and a number of the great panelists for the discussion forums. Now, approaching towards today's panel discussion, which focuses on a highly relevant and transformative theme, that is global impact and challenges of AI in pharma and healthcare for sustainability. Artificial intelligence is rapidly redefining the landscape of the healthcare and pharmaceutical sciences, from accelerating drug discovery and improving diagnostic accuracy to enabling personalized medicine and optimizing healthcare delivery system. AI has become a powerful catalyst for innovation. At the same time, it raises important questions related to ethics, data privacy, regulatory frameworks, workforce readiness, and equitable access to technology. So the panel aims to bring together eminent experts from the academia, healthcare, and industry to share their insights on how AI can shape a sustainable, inclusive, and efficient future for global healthcare systems. So before we proceed, I would like to give you a brief outline about the structure of today's
Ma'am,
session. Yes,
Priyanka
sir.
ma'am, actually, Dr. Salil Jahabi ma'am has some important meetings, so just she want to say only few words, then she will quit. Right, Sally? So
Okay,
just,
okay,
and
okay.
after that, we'll start our session of our Honorable Dr. Anup Swarup sir. Sir, with your kind permission, can we give 2 minutes to him?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Sure. I don't have any problem. Just let me introduce the Shelly, ma'am. Shelly Al-Zahabi, ma'am, is an associate professor in the Department of the Pharmaceutics and Industrial Pharmacy at the Faculty of the Pharmacy, Egypt, Japan University of the Science and Technology, Alexandria, Egypt. She is an accomplished academician researcher with a significant expertise in the pharmaceutics, drug delivery systems, and industrial pharmaceutical technologies. Dr. Zahabi has contributed extensively to pharmaceutical research through scientific publication, collaborative projects, and participation in the international conferences. Her work focuses on innovative formulation strategies and advanced drug delivery approaches aimed at improving therapeutic effectiveness. She is actively involved in mentoring students and promote global academic collaborations in the pharmaceutical sciences. So we have the opportunity to hear some good words, great words from the Shali ma'am. Can we? I'm handing over the panel to the ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, distinguished guests, respected professors, honored speakers, and dear colleagues. It's a great honor and privilege for me to be here today at this prestigious International Health Congress in India. I would like to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee for their kind invitation and for bringing together such a distinguished group of experts, researchers, and professionals from around the world to exchange knowledge and ideas in the field of healthcare and pharmaceutical sciences. India has long been recognized as a global leader in pharmaceutical innovation, healthcare advancement, and scientific research, and it's truly inspiring to participate in a forum that fosters international collaboration and share the vision for the future of global health. I'm very pleased to have this opportunity to contribute to this important discussion and to share perspectives on a topic that is rapidly transforming the future of healthcare. Actually, the theme of this panel discussion centers on the global impact and the emerging challenges associated with the integration of artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors, particularly in the context of sustainability and future-ready healthcare systems. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming nearly every aspect of pharmaceutical science and healthcare delivery, from accelerating drug discovery and optimizing pharmaceutical manufacturing processes to enabling personalized medicine, predictive diagnostics, and data-driven clinical decision-making. AI has the potential of revolutionizing how medicines are developed, produced, and delivered to patients worldwide. These technological advances are not only improving efficacy and precision, but are also opening new possibilities for more sustainable healthcare systems by reducing resource consumption, minimizing the waste, and improving the overall effectiveness of therapeutic interventions. However, despite these remarkable opportunities, the integration of AI also presents significant scientific, regulatory, ethical, and societal challenges, issues related to data quality and accessibility, patient privacy, algorithmic transparency, regulatory adaptation, and the digital divide remain critical considerations. Additionally, ensuring that AI technologies are implemented responsibly, equitably, and in alignment with global sustainability goals requires collaboration among researchers, healthcare professionals, policymakers, and industry leaders. This panel aims to explore both the transformative potential and the complex challenges of AI in pharma and healthcare. Our distinguished panelists will share their insights on how artificial intelligence can drive innovation while maintaining ethical responsibility, regulatory compliance, and long-term sustainability. Through this discussion, we hope to highlight strategies for harnessing AI in ways that enhance patient outcomes, strengthen healthcare system, and support a more sustainable and resilient future for global health. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insights on the AI, its impact. Thank you so much to be the part of this conference.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sally Zahabi, and wish you all the best for your
Thank you, Dr. Nitish.
collaboration.
Bye.
And we are looking for next time offline. Okay.
Yeah,
So
of course. Yeah.
and Sally's ma'am. So
I'm
in
always
next
here
World
for
Health Congress, we
collaboration.
will all together in offline mode. Even Shilpi ma'am, our Neeraj Upamanyu sir, Vinay sir. So we will see offline also. But yes, ma'am, please start.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So before we proceed, I would like to brief outline the structure of today's session. We'll begin with the short insights from our esteemed panelists, followed by a moderate discussion where we will explore key issues, challenges, and opportunities surrounding the application of the AI in the pharmaceuticals and healthcare. Towards the end of the session, we will also open the floor for a few questions from the participant, if the time permitting us. But before starting today's panel discussion, I'm requesting the technical team to please play the introductory audio visuals for the conference. Please, sir. Of course, sir, can you please the audio visuals? Thank you so much. It covers all the our keynote speakers and eminent professionals from around the world. So now here I supposed to invite Dr. Nitesh K. Jain, sir, President Spark Society, to please give a introductory welcome note, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Priyanka Soni, ma'am. So we'll not take much time because we have our esteemed panelists and our honorable guest of the honor, Professor Dr. Anup Swarup sir. So on behalf of Spark Society, I welcome you all in the World Health Congress, which is being organized by the Spark Society. And we have a pure vision to promote advanced research and technology at global level. So we are connecting the people from all over the globe. So welcome you all the galaxy of intellectuals, and please grace the occasion by esteemed panelists. So I'm very thankful to our mentor, advisor, always supportive, motivated me a lot, our beloved Professor Dr. Anup Swarup sir, for joining us today and to grace the World Health Congress. And we are very thankful to Miss Silpi Singh, madam. Now she's in London and she's giving time to us. So really, ma'am, very, very thankful to you for giving your precious time. And I'm very thankful to our beloved, respected Dr. Neeraj Upamanyu sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Sage University, Bhopal sir, for giving your precious time. And we have our beloved and respected, always have a lot of support from him. He's none other than our Dr. Binay Verma sir. Sir, welcome sir, for always giving motivations and all. And our beloved friend, our batchmate, Ms. Sakshi Sharma ma'am, for joining us, for accepting the invitation, as she has so many medical emergencies, but still that she is with us. So thank you, Sakshi Sharma ma'am. And we have Yusuf Ali Jaliwala sir also as a esteemed guest. So sir, welcome. Thank you. Now we can proceed with the inaugural address by our Professor Dr. Anup Swarup sir. He will present one PowerPoint presentation. So please make him co-host. Thank you.
Please welcome Professor Dr. Anup Swarup sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me at the outset compliment and congratulate the Spark Society for Research and Healthcare Excellence, especially the President, Dr. Nitesh Jain. You know, I've known you and I know your dynamism, your energy. It defines it all. So let me compliment you again. And most of all, it is at Indore that you are holding this conference. So I'm sure that this would be a journey for ideas, for innovation, and more than that, for global collaboration. So let me compliment everybody present here today and let me welcome everybody. Now, what is so important for global health as of now, and this applies to pharmaceutical industry as well, that is equity, access, and sustainability. And in a way, you have tried to cover all the themes which are so important for the World Health Organization. For me, I am reminded what Martin Luther King Jr. had to say. It is health which is first and foremost of all the liberties. Because as you always know, health is wealth. And when it comes to health and wealth, I am concerned with global health because the aim of global health is to improve health for all people of all nationalities by promoting wellness and eliminating disease and also death. But now, what is the most critical challenge today when it comes to global health? One is, of course, climate change. And the second is, as we say, what is happening in Middle East. It is war. War also brings pestilence, disease, and threat to global health all over. Now, in 2026, the call of the World Health Organization is that health has to be measured not by potential but by the impact it creates. So, what is the impact? One is, of course, adoption of artificial intelligence, and this has to be ethical. That is most important. Then, second is, we have to ensure equity, and not only that, it has to be a human-centric design when it comes to artificial intelligence. Now, all this is actually focused on empowerment of local health systems. When I say local health systems, I mean the remote communities, the poorest of the poor, and the third world. Now, when I am talking about this, I am thinking that this particular Congress will be coming to terms, not only bold terms, but also collaborative terms. And they have to bring about meaningful change. And that is possible through our global enterprise, global collaboration, which has been possible through this Congress. Now, I'm not coming to the objectives, but I think one objective is very important. That is the last one. That is strengthening dialogue on sustainable and resilient health systems. It is one of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. I was a UN representative, and we were working at a time that was in 2015, where the Millennium Development Goals were expiring. So we're thinking what should be the next effort. Now, it was felt at that time that another 15 years and we can have the Sustainable Development Goals. But now again, we are coming to an end. In 2030, the Sustainable Development Goals will be over. But what remains is the effort, and that is possible only through young researchers, through professionals, through policymakers who can bear the health challenges. Now, why we are here? We are here because knowledge has to convert into action, and ideas have to turn into partnerships, and collaboration has to mean progress for all. I'll not take much of our time, but can we have the presentation? Okay, it is here. So good. So very quickly, because I'm told that I have to be mindful of the time, and then I have to be leaving in another 20 minutes because I had another point. Here in Melbourne, in Australia, here it is about 6:31. So another 20 minutes because 7 o'clock I've got another conference which I have to deliver a keynote. So let me say that defining global health has to be through impactful and ethical artificial intelligence execution. Now, this can be possible only with rapidly changing diagnostics, surveillance, and health system management. You know that billions still lack access to essential health and quality health. But the central question is always there. Will AI narrow or widen global health inequities? Now, when I'm talking of tools, I would like to say something about the health system infrastructure. They have to be proactive, they have to be distributed. Expertise is well distributed so that it can reach the grassroots, and the data has to be integrated. Now, the ethical question is, what are the constraints? What are the ethics of the obligation? It has to mean that our new world health system have to be safe, secure, and most of all, they have to be ethical. Now, WHO, I'm coming to the three pillars when it comes to WHO. One is governance and regulation. Second is knowledge and community. And the third is implementation and scale. It's important that implementation and scale, they meet the norms of the global society we live in. So what are the frameworks when it comes to governance and regulation? The regulatory pathways, the standards and oversights, and also we have to maintain trust, which is equally important when it comes to AI. Now, the knowledge and global community have a threshold, and that threshold is that global public good has to be achieved only through appropriate international standards so that the world can be at the same level when it comes to humans, because we have to ensure human-centric development and health. Now, country level implementation can happen only through contextual adaptation, through strategic integration, through focus on equities, and where safety and scaling becomes very important. Now, I'll talk about GI AI4H, Artificial Intelligence for Health Network. Here there are three agencies. You must have heard, of course, you know about WHO. Then there is the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, and the World Intellectual Property Organization. They were working hand in hand for a couple of years, and the focus is on equity. This can be done through a mission to harmonize standards, support knowledge sharing, and also enable implementation. Now, what is the GIAI 4H coordination mechanism? Because every body has a responsibility. World Health Organization are responsible for application. They are ensuring the policy, whereas the ITU ensures the digital health standards, and WIPO, of course, it stands for intellectual property, which is so important. But intellectual property has to be shared, and it has to be for all. Now, the core functions are, of course, standards and norms, knowledge sharing, and implementation. And from framework to practice, what are the 6 principles? These have been discussed, deliberated, and these are equity by design. Evidence and safety is very critical. Then data stewardship, transparency, system integration, and of course, capacity building. You cannot achieve anything without good capacity building at the grassroots, and especially in the developing world. Now, before I end, I should mention that we can redefine global health together. And I invite you to integrate these pillars into the national strategies. In India, I know we are first and foremost when it comes to the civil society, and particularly the professionals, and of course the government. Then we have to engage with the GIAI 4H model. So, and there are other related platforms. We have to integrate these so that we invest as much as possible in governance, in evidence, and in capacity. The question is no longer of AI, whether it will transform health, but it is how we choose to guide that transformation and who it will ultimately serve. So that is a critical issue. So with these words, let me again take this opportunity to compliment Spark Society, particularly Dr. Nitesh. I could see your dynamism everywhere, and I know that you can bring about a change in India.
Thank you so
India
much.
has been my country. I have lived there, I have grown up, and I would like to have the best possible outcome when it comes to India, especially in pharmaceutical healthcare. So thank you so much. Over to you. In another 10 minutes, I'll be leaving, but I hope I finished my task in just 10 minutes. I was trying to rush through, but I'll ask them to share these slides with you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable blessings as always. And we'll be all from India and will redefine global health with your blessings and support. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir,
Over
pleasure
to
to
you,
meet you
ma'am.
virtually, sir. Thank you so much.
So nice of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Dr. Anup Swaroopji is a distinguished educationist and former civil servant, author, as well as global peace advocate with over 45 years of professional experience. He has served in key academic and international leadership role, including Secretary General of Association of Universities of Asia Pacific and chair of the Center for the Global Non-Killing Hawaii, a recipient of the prestigious honors such as Hiroshima Peace Award and Presidential Award of the India. He has also been associated with the Global Initiative under the United Nations. So Swaroop sir has authored several influential books also, and research publication continues to contribute to the global dialogue on peace and sustainability and education. So it's an opportunity for us to have you here, sir. And he's one of our first panelists among the list. I just want to introduce our next panelist in the series. Our next panelist is Mr. Vijay Verma. Mr. Vijay Verma is the founder, president of Quality Idol Consultancy and a distinguished pharmaceutical quality expert with over 41 years of experience in the pharmaceutical industry. He has held senior leadership roles, including president corporate quality at Symbiotic Pharma Lab, and has worked with the leading organizations such as Sun Pharma, Ranbaxy, IPCA, Aristo, and Anglo-French Drugs Company. He is an MSc in the organic chemistry with a specialization in the drug, and he is also a certified trainer in total quality management from AOTS Tokyo. Mr. Verma has extensive expertise in CGMP, regulatory compliance, and pharmaceutical quality systems, and is recognized keynote speaker at the international and national seminars. So again, a warm welcome to Vinay Verma sir. And the next panelist among us is Ms. Shilpi Singh. Ms. Shilpi Singh, ma'am, is a GM and head of the Project Management and Technology Transfer at Piramal Pharma Solutions with the over 17 years of experience in the pharmaceutical industries. She holds an executive MBA from IIM Lucknow and MPharm from Jadavpur University, where she earned a global gold medal for academic excellence. Her expertise spans regulatory affairs, quality assurance, audit management, and project leadership across global pharmaceutical operations. A PMP certified professional and Six Sigma Green Belt holder. She has received numerous honors, including Chairman's Award and a Global Woman Achievers Award. Ms. Shilpi Singh ma'am is also widely recognized for her leadership, innovation, and contribution to the pharmaceutical project management. We also welcome you ma'am here. Thank you so much. The next panelist for today is the Dr. Mahen Singh Rathore. Dr. Mahen Singh Rathore is the
Madam,
principal.
Priyanka ma'am, Mahen sir is not here. We can introduce Dr. Neeraj Upamanyu sir.
Okay, fine, sir, fine, sir. A bit, one minute, sir. The next panelist in my list is Dr. Rakesh Kumar Tikade, sir.
Ma'am,
He's a
Rakesh
professor.
Tikade sir is not here. I think we can introduce Neeraj Upamanyu sir and we can continue the panel discussion.
Okay, fine, sir, fine, sir. Wait a minute.
कोई नहीं मैडम, मैं अपना परिचय स्वयं ही दे देता हूँ।
No,
मैं
no,
नीरज
sir.
उपमन्यु और आई एम अ पैशनेट फार्मासिस्ट।
No.
हाँ नहीं, क्या फर्क पड़ता मैम, ये सब क्या बड़ी टेंडेंस इंडिया में बना
बहुत
रखी है।
सारे इसमें मैं मिल चुकी हूँ, बहुत सारे लाइक मेनी वेयर
अरे
आई
वाह,
मिस्ड
सो काइंड ऑफ यू मैडम। मैं नीरज उपमन्यु एंड आई एम अ पैशनेट फार्मासिस्ट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू do something good in this transformative phase of education, fourth generation of the AI with the industry, because the industrial transformation is also going on. So how we can collaboratively do for the welfare of the society, uh, introducing some new changes in healthcare system. So that is what I am looking forward to be a part of that, so that I can also learn something. So this is all about me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the nice introduction of yourself. Thank you so much, and welcome to the Spark Societies Congress. The next keynote speaker for today's session is Ms. Sakshi Sharma, ma'am, Senior Project Consultant. She's managing new solutions innovations, EY ICMR. She is also with the EY in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR. She brings significant expertise in the healthcare innovation, research, project management, and strategic consulting. Ms. Sharma works closely with the multidisciplinary teams to support the development and implementation of the innovative healthcare and biomedical initiatives. Her expertise includes coordinating research program, fostering industry academia collaboration, fostering the translation of scientific ideas into impactful healthcare solutions. Through her work, she contributes to strengthening India's healthcare innovation ecosystem and promoting evidence-based approaches for improving public health outcomes and research-driven advancement. Sir, if you allow me, welcoming all the panelists here. And if you all allow me, then can we have the session, start the panel discussion here? Sakshi ma'am, would you like to say something?
Thank you everyone. Thank you for the introduction, Priyanka ma'am. And I look forward to adding more value to this discussion.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you.
Sir, may I start now the panel discussion?
Yes, ma'am. Please,
Can
you
we?
may start.
I guess all the panelists are ready here. So my first question is that we are talking about the AI nowadays. The global impact and challenges of AI in the pharma and healthcare, specifically for sustainability. How we can defend that things that yes, that is important for the sustainability in the environment. How you relate these questions with the artificial intelligence nowadays? What is the global impact and the major challenges of AI?
Yes, this is Vinay Verma. Yeah, Dr. Priyanka, as you said that the sustainability of AI implementation is really very, very important. You see, many technologies do come, many new computerized system automation, so many things do come. But important thing is that how it can be implemented successfully and as a consistent performance we can get out of that. That is the sustainability of any new technologies what we implement. Similarly, for AI, it is definitely it's a great tool, great profound technological transformation which pharmaceutical industry is experiencing. So, accepting this AI technology is really good, and identifying the areas where it can be implemented. But before that, if we have to really get the sustainability, important thing that is that we should have that structured framework to accept the new technology. You see, as such, any technology cannot be implemented unless until the very good background is maintained and prepared. For that, if we consider pharmaceutical industry, manufacturing operations, or drug discovery or clinical research, everywhere, these AI is many tools, apps, and many things are coming up to implement those things. The important thing is that the lot of data is getting generated already as of date. For example, if it's clinical study or it's manufacturing operations, there are several in manufacturing operation. There are several sensors. There are several data storage sections are there, and monitoring systems are there. These all data, those are getting generated. These are to be properly channelized and linked with the AI systems. We do not need the AI to support us in making the automations, We need the AI to give a prediction and think like human being. If the data has come up, now how well it can analyze the data, how well it can give the multiple options, how well it can alarm us that yes, there is a threat, there is a risk, there is a chances of the failure. These are the corrections we should make. These are the multiple options are available where we can work in. And out of those multiple options, the AI should be able to suggest that this is, if we will implement this, what will be the implications all across on the other areas. Likewise, we have to utilize that. So for that, we should have the data collection system very well structured in all across our equipments, our machinery, our facilities. And this digital data and electronic data should be captured very well. And and not only that, even the very good literature also should be available, because AI is equipped with the learning the natural language also. They can read the literatures, they can interpret the publications also, even the media discussions also they can understand. And then they should give a meaningful communication to us. So if we will make a good framework, number one. Second thing is very structured data is collected. And third, very important thing is that organization culture and personal acceptance, people acceptance should also be there. Right now, there's many organizations those are still working in the manual operations and still working with the less automation and less digital data generation. So the information what they are collecting and what they are gathering, it might not be as it is utilized by AI, you know, because AI also needs some good input. right input will be there, then right output will come out, and right suggestions and right options will come out from AI. Sorry. So the organization culture and the people readiness, preparedness, that is also important. So if we will establish these all platforms, the multiple areas, then we implement the AI, then it will be really going to be useful, and then it is going to be sustainable also.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning.
Yes.
Good afternoon. I want to add something.
Yes, please.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much, Dr. Nitesh, Dr. Priyanka, and big round of applause for both of you and entire team for arranging such a great, I can say, panel discussion and this program. My sincere apology, as I was in London for the business travel, I didn't get chance to come personally. So what sir has stated, I think Vinay sir has stated, just add to the few points. While talking for AI, it is very important to go for this answer to understand why this is like we have gone through the book for Simon Sinek, so it's important to understand why. So as we are talking for like a lot of things that you can get it in Google, Chat GPT, everywhere, the AI is not having putting more patient in the hospitals. This is for having the patient outside the hospitals. How? Why? This is outside the hospitals to treat the patient in such a way that to detect the disease in such a way that they won't get chance to go to the hospitals, right? So this AI we are talking about. This is about if we will talk about any particular drug development in any pharmaceutical industry, because I'm talking on basis of practical challenges, it is taking 10 to 15 years, sometimes 12 years time to getting into the commercialization, starting from R&D. While talking for AI, the drug is going very faster, right? It is doing personalized medicine, detecting cancers, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, various diseases, right? But while implementing this, what Sir has stated, it is very important. First thing is the mindset, right? The mindset and the people's culture and the organization culture, what Sir has stated, I'm supporting that. It is very important to have to accept the thing. Until unless we are accepting anything by ourselves, it is very difficult to implement that, right? So first to imbibe the thing. After imbibing it, we have to see like what are the prevention that we are going to make, because there is a lot of cyber security part, like the data can be leaked or the data can be accessed by somebody, and there is a privacy of the data which is not going to have with this. So it is very important to structure a mindset, culture, the people inside from outside. In various organizations, of course, I'm not talking due to confidentiality to what system Piramal is having, that we can prevent our data, we can make a server, we can have this system is in place by which we can prevent the data and we can go ahead and implement the sustainable future for AI. Not taking much of time, over to other panelists.
Good thought, ma'am. I just want to have the vision of Neeraj sir. If you could deliver the same on this topic, sustainability of the AI in the healthcare system. Can
Yeah,
you add on something, sir?
yeah. Very truly said by Vinay sir and madam. मैं बहुत सरल शब्दों में बोलूंगा. राजेश खन्ना की एक पिक्चर देखते थे जिसमें वो हाथी के साथ हाथी को पालता था. तो हाथी खरीद के तो ले आया, लेकिन लास्ट में उस पिक्चर में हाथी को पालना उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. तो अगर सरल शब्दों में समझें तो एआई का यूज, एआई का हैंडलिंग वैसा ही है. और हमारे दोनों स्पीकर्स विनय सर और मैडम वही सब सेम चीज को बताना चाह रहे थे. एआई इज वेरी एसेंशियल, but you have to be any very careful, whether you are talking about industry, whether you are talking about the education system. Like for example, if you are handling if you are having the vision to handle the data, if you are having the vision to implement AI, you have to adopt some of the systems. Like if you see the companies for the last 10-15 years, they are working on center for excellence. Why they are working for center for excellence? Because they were understanding, they were chalking out the strategies, that how they will handle the data in healthcare system, how the pharmaceutical industry will implement the things. So same thing, if because we are talking a lot about the global impact of AI and how it will impact industry, how it will impact the pharmaceutical education. So we have to understand that what type of data, because like if you search in a Google, you get flood of informations. So like that, the data handling is not easy, and we have to understand it very diligently. And moreover, very truly said by Verma sir and madam also, because it is very important. If you have the healthcare analysis, AI can be a boon. AI can be very wonderful. Yesterday we are having a discussion. I throw one questions to all the intellects which are there, that can we use AI in the expired drug handling. It is one of the gray area for the last 10-15 years. 90% of the places in our households in India, we are throwing expired medicines. We don't know how to use or how to handle this expired medicines. 90% they are throwing in dustbins. And we are talking a lot about antimicrobial resistant and all. So AI can be the, the the great handler not only in India, but across globe. So this is one of the perspective I always think. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. Even I just want to have a thought from Sakshi Sharma, ma'am. Can you give us some thought on this, Sakshi, ma'am? Over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, as the honorable panelists have been discussing, yes, truly agree that AI is just driving sustainability in healthcare by making drug discovery, clinical trials, patient care more resource smart, and we have to make it environmentally responsible also. But here I would like to highlight, with all the discovery processes which a drug molecule faces till it comes to the market, the time frame is quite is a lot. So it ranges from around 13 to 14 years, as ma'am also highlighted. So we can really shorten that, but we have to do it smartly, and we have to. It has to be taken to a level where you can utilize the tools efficiently. I mean, AI can help with predictive modeling in preclinical trials, identifying the lead molecule, then going to clinical trials where you can have digital twins, creating a virtual model of humans. So it is time saving. At the same time, it is also, giving you more accurate results. The point here where I would like to highlight is that it has to be used smartly, and it has to be the decisions still have to be taken by the human mind. So we have to take care of that. This can really help with sustainability in healthcare, no doubt. It can help, but it has to be used very smartly. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I have more thoughts on this, and you have covered all my other questions too. Because you have included the clinical trials relevancy with this, and definitely the data privacy part is also discussed here. So, if any one of you panelists would like to add on something else rather than this, then you can. Anyone else?
Yes मैडम, एक चीज और मैं ऐड करना,
Yes, sir.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, एक चीज और ऐड करना चाहूंगा इसमें.
Sure, sir.
अगर हम एजुकेशनल पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें तो नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया but across globe also, we are in the most of the time when the AI has been introduced, we are in the transition phase. So the change or transition from knowledge based to competency based, that also required to think about AI or data science. What has to be delivered, and what type of things has to be delivered, what type of data set should be there. And moreover, if you see the implementation, they are making that machine learning should be important, interdisciplinary approach is very important. So from the academic perspective, that has also been introduced. And if we talk the pedagogical approaches system, so that has to be think very diligently. That is what I would like to say from academic perspective. Thank you.
Yeah, to One more thing to add here, while we are talking for AI, as we understand, AI is not going to replace human mind, right? And also in terms of regulators, like when any drug is getting developed and when we are filing dossiers to any regulator, for example, USFDA, MHRA, or TGA, or any of the regulatory body, it is very important that they have to see the data. But if you see from regulator perspective, like the data which is generated by AI, I'm not very sure that, and it's a very challenging that they are not accepting the data which was basically generated by AI. So this is also a biggest challenges in terms of regulatory, like approval perspective for the drug, although everything is fast, but we have to take a look and think that how we can overcome that challenges. In terms of AI implementation, of course, there is a cloud computing, there is a skilled professional that we cannot say that AI came and all the professionals are so skilled and they are going to implement the AI. So that is also important, that the phase wide, that in which phase that we are going to implement, so that a long-term plan, that whenever we are talking for short-term, mid-term, and long-term plan. So defining the long-term plan for the AI is also important for either any institute, any industry, or anybody. Like AI came and I'm going to run away and get this AI. It's not like that. So that's also important to make a plan and to basically go ahead and to talk about that plan. As we talked about the data security, I think all the panelists has already talked about that. For having the data security, we have to have plan also, that if AI is getting implemented by hospitals also, how the data security of a patient or any, I can say, drug or anything that can be prevented. So that I wanted to say.
It's
Yes,
truly
sir.
said.
Yes.
Sir, exactly, I want to know more about this. Just being in the academics from the years, and just want to know that if we talk about it globally, the same thing is there where you are accepting the AI, artificial intelligence. And if you are accepting the AI, you are not having the workforce which is very skilled in that. And since the data is not so easy to obtain, and definitely we are limited by a number of time a cost which is available, or if we talk about the modeling purposes and anything else also, we need to have a number of software technologies and blah 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 blah. So if you talk about the globally, can you feel the things that they are same and are having the same limitations, or we can come up with this as soon as possible? Because I think that we need to be very, skilled when you are talking about the data, and when you are talking about the using the AI. So it just not the prompt, it is something else that is needed if you are talking about the pharmaceutical industry. Since pharmacy is not about a kind of where we can give the prompt and the AI will generate a good image of us. Definitely, it's not like this. It's about something we are talking about the healthcare systems. So when you are talking about the healthcare system, you should be very thorough about the use of this AI. Can you give me the perspective where we are standing today and how we can, go through this data privacy, data integrity, and using of this AI in a smarter way in the pharmaceutical firm? Over to you, ma'am and sir. If you want to say something about a skilled workforce and digital accessibility and role of its things, all these things in the environment, it's
Neeraj
a
sir,
global thing,
yeah,
I
Neeraj
guess.
sir can cover from education perspective. I will cover from healthcare perspective, industry perspective. Go ahead, Neeraj
Sure,
sir, over to you.
sure, ma'am. You just give me the things regarding the industrial perspective.
Yeah, Neeraj sir to yeah, go ahead, sir, first.
Neeraj.
मैडम, अगर आप देखो एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल्स अगर मैं आपको देखूं, अर्ली 70s में अगर हम देखें और 50 साल की स्ट्रगल देखें, तो एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लें प्रोटीन्स का, प्रोटीन फोल्ड्स का। 1970 से लेके मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा जब मैं पढ़ता रहता था तो देखता रहता था 2010 या 2015 तक बहुत एक डिबेट चलती थी कि प्रोटीन के कॉम्प्लेक्स का 3 डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर अगर देखें
Mm.
तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करें, क्योंकि उसको डिकोड करना बहुत जरूरी था। for designing new medicines. And I think both the industry persons will uh, agree with me. लेकिन
Yeah.
लास्ट 50 years के वजह से, जैसे ही 2020 में जब टेक्नोलॉजी के टूल्स बढ़े एंड वी इंट्रोड्यूस दिस एआई, researchers ne they introduced and developed an artificial intelligence system that is called AlphaFold, if I am not wrong, and they
Right.
predicted millions of proteins in a matter of months. So that is how you, if you handle the technology correctly, the AI correctly, you can do the wonders. That is what I would like to say from the academic perspective. So what I can say, that science itself is challenging, but you have to adopt the technology in such a way that you can get multiple of solutions.
Sure, sir. But we need to have, the skilled personalities very well. It's not just that everyone knows the AI, the use of the AI. So I
No, no,
must
skill,
involve, you
Yes.
should have to learn the, things regarding the AI.
मैडम मैडम
So,
इंसान के अंदर एक इतनी अच्छी अडेप्टेबिलिटी होती है. जब मोबाइल आया तो कीपैड से शुरू हुआ.
Exactly. Exactly.
And now we are handling, any type of mobile without any, training. A simple
Absolutely.
yeah,
example.
Gurjeet,
You have, that is what the interdisciplinary approach will work. मैडम से सुनते हैं हम, क्योंकि शी इज फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री.
नहीं मैं पहले तो थोड़ा सा मतलब वी ऑल आर वेरी रेस्पेक्टेबल टू मी बट स्टिल फ्रॉम द एजुकेशन पर्सपेक्टिव सर लाइक अभी कुछ दिनों से मुझे बहुत सारे इन मेनी ऑफ द कॉलेजेस आई वाज बीन इनवाइटेड टू टॉक अबाउट इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया एंड काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड आई थिंक इन सेज आई एम गोइंग ऑन 20th आई विल बी लैंडिंग ऑन 20th एंड गोइंग टू सेज फॉर दिस सेम टॉपिक पीसीआई स्पॉन्सर्ड समथिंग राइट. So nowadays, I can say, like because all the colleges and everybody is getting adapted industry academia. So now this education system should adopt AI now. They have to go a little more and they have to put in their syllabus that whenever they are coming for industry in any of the training, like many of the students are coming 15 days, 1 month or 3 months of the training, in their project work, either B Farm, M Farm, MBA, any kind, they have to have AI as a particular module, right? That's very important. So it's very important to bring the our skill force, like basically the students are our main force, right? So it's important that AI should be the part of our curriculum or our syllabus so that this thing will start from there. This is from the, like, I can say, yes, sir, no, go ahead.
मैडम, वैसे दीपेंद्र सर ने शायद कल इनॉग्रेशन में बता दिया होगा, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
Sorry, मैं नहीं
मैडम,
थी,
वी
मैं
आर कमिंग वी आर कमिंग अप विद द न्यू सिलेबस, एंड
अच्छा
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर itself the student is going to read AIML in first semester only.
बहुत
So
बहुत अच्छा
we
सर.
have implemented, we have put a lot of things in AI in consultation with different pharmaceutical industry experts also. So hopefully this month we are going to, launch this syllabus. Already a lot of suggestions have come, and we are expecting from next academic session this will be implemented, and we are giving the autonomy to the institutions also 30%,
That's very
so they
nice.
can, discuss with the industry persons, they can prepare their electives also, they can chalk out something, and according to their regional conditions, because in India you have the regional conditions also, what you get, sometimes you don't have
Right.
pharmaceutical industry in average. So how you can deliver in consultation with pharmaceutical industry, because industry cannot bear the products which has to be trained. They want ready-made things because they don't have time, if I am
Correct.
not
Very true.
so yeah.
भागते ही
So
रहते
the
हैं.
syllabus should be, yeah, so syllabus should be in such a way that at least the student should know the basic things. That is
Yes,
what
true.
I would like.
From the industry perspective, ma'am, a few things to add here. While adaptation of AI, it is very, very high, like the multinational companies and, the Google CEO also came in India in this AI summit in Delhi, and he himself told the like if you are not knowing AI, you don't have future, right? So it's very clear that industry, if they wanted to go much higher and higher, it's very important to go ahead and to have AI. एक सबसे बड़ी challenges आती है कि like we are opting AI and we have a particular forum, and of course I'm the part of that, and we are going ahead for the implementation of the various tools by which it is going to reduce our work, right? All the data analysis, everything, that whatever we are doing, and we are having the workforce. The bigger challenge is like, with that we are also going to reduce the manpower. I'm not saying like for the particular company, but there is a major challenge that if AI is going to take over everything, like the if for performing the particular task, if 10 people are getting involved, if AI is doing in 3 hours, so I can say 8 people can be redundant, right? A kind of thing. So that's a major challenge I can find that can be happen with many of the industry. That is the biggest challenge. While in terms of the cost, I can say, of course, there is a bigger cost in terms of infrastructure, in terms of like skilled people, those who knows the AI, they are getting paid more and kind of thing. So industry is like, I cannot comment behalf of other industry, but yes, we have our mindset prepared that yes, we are going to hire these people. So this much of the cost and that we have allocated with our long range plan, that with this phase we are going to implement this part, and we have to have the particular cost structure is in place, those who are going to take over this workforce with us in terms of cost. Anything
Exactly,
else
ma'am.
you want to understand
Very
from industry, more than
rightly
happy. Yeah.
said, madam. Yes. And Dr. Neeraj he also rightly highlighted that AI has been introduced in the education as well. And one important thing I would like to share that there are many applications are available now in industry, wherein the AI has been introduced and aligned with the multiple softwares and apps. So, like TrackWise is a system which is being used in the quality or management system. So, like TrackWise, like many other softwares are being developed with AI applications. So I am also a consultant to multiple software developing companies also. Those are modifying and preparing the customized applications for the organizations for with the AI added support. So the important thing is that what Madam had said that in education industry, the AI education will definitely help a lot to pharmacists. Reason being, what I am seeing that the people those are developing those softwares, they are from the IT industry or they are from AI industry, and they do not have that much background of the pharmaceutical knowledge and requirements and its applications. So they need a lot of support for developing the flow of the processes. What kind of interpretation do you need from the data which is coming up, and how well I can implement in the multiple quality systems, manufacturing systems, the API AI applications. That support they are very much needing. So that the gap is very wide right now. That's why pharma industry, particularly if we talk about AI, is very slowly getting introduced in pharma industry. So education industry, once they will learn the AI, then this gap will definitely get fulfilled, and then AI application will be faster in pharma industry. I
uh,
would like to give one example like a quality management system like a change control model. That one of the software industry, they developed the change control model, and they put in the AI support also in that. So that helps a lot whenever you make any change in the system. It AI collects the data, analyze that data, and they give the interpretations that how this change is going to affect. Like if the your product has been filed to multiple countries, multiple agencies, and all agencies are having some different regulations and acceptance for the any changes. So how this change is going to be accepted by the multiple countries. So this AI is giving the support and giving the information that whether and when we should implement this, how much time it is going to take to implement, when you will get the output of that change if you will implement in the product quality, in its chemistry change, or it's a manufacturing change, or any kind of change you want to implement. So there these industries, those are developing those support for pharma industry, they need a lot of support from pharmacists actually, that knowledge and information they need, then they will be able to help you out in the AI. So this process is going on, but it's currently very slow. When the people will come out from the education courses, once they will complete their degrees, and with the AI knowledge they will come in the field, then I think it's going to be expedited.
तो दो छोटा सा पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगी लाइक
Yes.
जैसे आपने बात की ट्रैक वाइज की तो एआई के कुछ सोर्सेज है जैसे इंश्योर है ट्रैक वाइज है एस4HANA है ट्रांसलिंक है ये सारी चीजें हैं जो इंडस्ट्री में इट इज वेरी वेल रिकग्नाइज्ड फॉर चेंज कंट्रोल का पार्ट डेविएशन मार्केट कंप्लेंट फॉर एवरीथिंग एक और बात करें अगर लाइक व्हेन एनी प्रोडक्ट इज गेटिंग डेवलप इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट सिनारियो राइट बिफोर हैविंग द पेशेंट सिनारियो और मार्केट सिनारियो we cannot send that product into the market. So nowadays in our industry and many of the industry, with a AI tool, we are basically doing the market predictability, market analysis, like how this drug is going to behave in the market, what are the competitors, how it is comply with the supply chain model की अगर बात करूँ, so how the cost effective that particular drug is, because there is a lot of competition in the market. So it's very important for sending any drug to the market. We have to understand the price, we have to understand the supply model, we have to understand the other specs of the model. So with the help of AI in our industry, like we are doing all the strategic analysis for the particular drug, doing all the cost analysis, making PNL, doing all the data, and then this is getting developed, and we are deciding the strategy that what are the things that we have to do for sending this product to the market. So in that case, in our industry, of course, in healthcare, this AI tool is getting very useful nowadays. And sorry, not taking much of time. Over to you, ma'am. Priyanka, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
very
you.
rightly said, madam.
Correctly said by good answer, ma'am. Definitely AI is helping us a lot, but definitely we need to implement it from the graduation kind of things, because in academics there is a big challenge, because the teacher has to be very efficient for the same. And if we talk about the impact of this AI, definitely AI will be helpful. And I just want to know more about this. Sakshi ma'am, would you like to say something here? Would you like to add on something? Sakshi Sharma ma'am?
You are on mute. Unmute yourself.
Yes, as ma'am rightly said, there's a need for introduction of AI in academics, and like Neeraj sir said, it is being introduced in the right in the first semester. It will be great. It is good to groom the upcoming pharmacist as soon as possible with AI, and they can integrate their own education and all what they are studying accordingly with AI. It will be very helpful. And from the industry perspective, yes, again, we have different tools which are more acceptable to regulatory agencies. They can be used, but at the same time, I would like to highlight that human intervention will always be required, and there will be always need of human mindset to judge whether the AI prompts or AI responses are in line with the ethical things, and are in line with what the goal is for the study. That is always required. That's all from my end.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Thank you so much to everyone. Just I want to conclude this that yes, artificial intelligence, we are moving with the same. We are learning a bit day by day, and definitely it will help us. But still, we need something, that is, we need a skilled person. We need to learn the technologies. We need to involve or get involved in the more and more in the same things. And definitely the upcoming batches or upcoming students should learn it in an efficient way. And for that same thing, we the members who are in the academics field also should learn. Talking about the industry perspective, definitely industries, the skilled persons are there, and definitely they are using it in a better way to maintain the things in a correct manner. And if I talk about the ma'am, what she has included, that definitely the product accessibility, product marketing skills and strategies, planning, everything can be met very efficiently with the help of the AI. And definitely it's a good thing. We have discussed the same thing, that how the artificial intelligence will help us and how it is, where it is standing exactly. So if anybody wants to add on something presently also, then it's up to you. And otherwise, I just want to Nitesh sir to please give a vote of thanks here.
एक एक चीज और इसमें बोलना चाहूंगा
Yeah,
मैं,
sure sir, sure.
क्लिनिकल पर्सपेक्टिव से भी हमको ये वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes,
that
definitely.
in future time, like for example, if a patient of Alzheimer has been treated, so AI is controlling his all the, through chips, his brain. So that is how the future role of AI will be in, treating the patients. We are talking a lot about implantable drug delivery systems, microchips, MEMS based devices. And one article I was reading for this oncology pharmacy,
Yes.
lot of role AI is going to play. So we have to tell to the students also from the clinical perspective also. If you do, they want to understand the clinical pharmacy, their integration of AI will be very important in future terms. That is what I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to say.
Rightly said. Just to add one point, as you talk about the clinical trials, of course, in four phases of the trials, right? So while talking for the like not one trial where the healthy human volunteers are involved, the AI can be involved for that part, right? While we are taking the medicine, placebo and randomized trial, we are seeing the BA study and all the graphs is coming. While talking for phase 4 trial, post-marketing surveillance, there the AI is very important, right? So as you talked about, I'm not going in much detail there because I worked in that area also. So while talking for here for the detection part for the cancer, right, which is a like for cancer nowadays, like always it is identifying the genes, right, which is responsible for the cancer. So that detection technique is very much available with the AI. That in sometimes it's not only chips after taking a glass of a kind of solution with the particular drug which is personalized or customized can very helpful in identifying that disease. So thank you so much for putting that insights. That's very useful. Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Over to you, Priyanka. Nitesh sir, for
Good
sum up. Yeah.
afternoon, good afternoon, everyone. And really, I'm very thankful to all of you for giving your precious time on Sunday, especially. It's very difficult. Basically, we want time for our family. So, on behalf of Spark Society, I'm really very thankful to all the eminent panelists from all over the globe. So, first of all the speakers, all the panelists has given an impactful message, and that was a wonderful interface in between academia and industries. So this combination actually what we want and what we are looking for, making a strong bridge in between academia and industry. So I hope Spark Society will take some more initiatives so that everyone can come closer and we can work better for this particular healthy world. So as a concluding remark, I would say that this particular panel discussion was very impactful, and we have focused, all the panels have focused on global impact and what challenges of AI in pharma and healthcare for sustainability. So on this particular international platform, I request we must focus on the sustainability, especially in medicine, because we are looking for safety of medicine always. So safety is first for all of us. AI cannot make medicine, but AI can give predictions for the betterment of the healthcare system. So we must include all these things. So first of all, I'm very thankful to our respected Dr. Neeraj Upamanyu sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Sage University in Bhopal. Then I'm very thankful to our beloved Mr. Sri Binay Verma sir for giving your precious time. And very, very thankful to Silpi ma'am. She's attending session from the Globe and she's requested, no, I will join, definitely join. So really, ma'am, I'm very thankful for your
Thank you,
kindness.
sir.
And my dear friend Sakshi Sharma. She is also a dynamic, talented. She is doing a lot of things for the pharma and healthcare society. So thank you, Sakshi Sharma, ma'am. And coordinator of this particular panel discussion, I would like to thank Priyanka Soni, ma'am, and Ankur Joshi, sir, an entire organizing team of a Spark Society. Whatever we did achieve in this 2 days is because of the entire efforts of my team, dedicated team. So thanks to all the members, all the fraternity from all over the globe. And we will connect very soon for offline. I think Neeraj Upmanyu sir, Vinay Verma sir, Silpi ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, due to some unavoidable circumstances, they couldn't attend offline. But next time, I wish all we will gather. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
Sir,
so much.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so
sir,
much.
Bye,
if you allow
everyone.
if you allow for a
Yes,
minute,
please, please,
I
sir.
would
Please, sir.
I would like to invite all of you on behalf of Pharmacy Council of India on 28th to Sage University Indore, where
Sure,
the
sure,
same
definitely.
madam is coming. So I invite all of you, please do come and bless us for this
Thank you.
event, because Pharmacy Council of India is putting a lot of efforts in that.
Yes.
So on my individual capacity also, I invite you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir,
so
for
much,
kind
everyone.
Thank
invitation.
you,
We will all join, sir.
Dr.
Bye.
Neeraj. Thanks for invitation. I will
Thank you.
definitely come and Sage University. If you can see the background, the Sage
Thank you so much.
University,
Yeah. So kind of you, sir.
that
So kind of
certificate is already getting
yeah,
displayed.
yeah.
Thanks for your. I am already connected with you. So we will
Bye. Thank you so
definitely
much,
try to
everyone.
visit.
Thank you, sir. Thanks,
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
madam. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Dr.
Thank
so
you,
much.
Hridayat
Priyanka
Sharma.
ma'am. Thank you, Ankur sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye
Good day,
everyone.
bye.
ma'am. Good day, sir.
Good day to all of you.